The Tale of the Starlit Garden. In the tranquil village of Meadowbrook, surrounded by rolling hills and sparkling streams, lived a young girl named Lila. Lila had always been captivated by the stars, spending countless nights lying in the fields, gazing up at the twinkling sky. Her father, an astronomer named Elias, had instilled in her a love for the cosmos, telling her stories of distant galaxies and ancient constellations. Lila's mother, Iris, was a renowned gardener, known for her ability to grow the most beautiful flowers in all of Meadowbrook. The garden behind their quaint cottage was a sight to behold, with vibrant blooms in every color of the rainbow. Iris's garden was not only a source of beauty but also of magic. It was said that her flowers held the power to heal and bring joy to those who beheld them. One evening, as Lila was stargazing, she noticed a shooting star streak across the sky. She made a wish, as she always did, but this time, the star seemed to linger, its light growing brighter. Intrigued, Lila followed its path to the edge of the garden, where she found a small, glowing seed. Curiosity piqued, Lila picked up the seed and showed it to her mother. Iris examined it carefully, her eyes widening with wonder. "This is no ordinary seed, Lila. It seems to be imbued with the essence of the stars. We must plant it in the garden and see what grows." They chose a special spot in the center of the garden, where the seed could receive ample sunlight and starlight. Lila and her mother planted the seed together, and as they did, they felt a strange warmth radiating from the earth. Days turned into weeks, and the seed began to sprout. To their amazement, it grew into a magnificent plant with silver leaves that shimmered like the night sky. At the top of the plant, a single bud formed, glowing with a soft, ethereal light. Lila and Iris tended to it with great care, eager to see what would bloom. One night, as the full moon cast its silvery glow over the garden, the bud began to unfurl. Lila watched in awe as it blossomed into a stunning flower with petals that looked like they were made of pure starlight. The air around it seemed to hum with a gentle, melodic energy. As the flower bloomed, a figure appeared in the garden. It was a woman, cloaked in robes of midnight blue, with eyes that sparkled like stars. Lila and her mother gasped in wonder. "Who are you?" Lila asked, her voice filled with awe. The woman smiled kindly. "I am Celestia, the guardian of the Starlit Garden. You have nurtured a star flower, a rare and magical bloom that connects your world with the cosmos. For your kindness and care, I will grant you one wish." Lila's mind raced with possibilities, but she knew exactly what she wanted. "I wish to visit the stars, to see the universe that my father speaks of." Celestia nodded. "Your wish is granted. But remember, the journey will not be easy. The universe is vast and full of wonders and dangers. Are you ready?" Lila looked at her mother, who nodded encouragingly. "I am ready," she said, determination in her eyes. Celestia reached out and touched Lila's forehead. Instantly, Lila felt herself lifted off the ground, surrounded by a swirling vortex of light. She closed her eyes, and when she opened them again, she found herself standing on a celestial pathway made of shimmering stardust. "Follow the path," Celestia's voice echoed in her mind. "It will lead you to the wonders of the universe." Lila began her journey, marveling at the sights around her. She passed by planets of every color and size, each with its own unique beauty. She saw nebulas that glowed like radiant jewels, and galaxies that spun gracefully in the vast expanse of space. As she traveled, she encountered various beings, some friendly, some not. She met a wise old star named Orion, who shared stories of the ancient cosmos and guided her through treacherous asteroid fields. She befriended a group of comet riders, who taught her how to navigate the solar winds. One day, as she journeyed through a particularly dense star cluster, Lila heard a faint cry for help. Following the sound, she discovered a young star trapped in a web of dark matter. Its light was fading, and it struggled to break free. "Hold on," Lila called out. "I'll help you." Using the knowledge she had gained from her travels, Lila carefully untangled the star from the dark matter web. As it was freed, its light grew brighter, and it shimmered with gratitude. "Thank you," the star said. "I am Nova. You have saved me, and for that, I am in your debt. If you ever need assistance, call upon me, and I will come to your aid." Lila continued her journey, her heart filled with the warmth of her new friendship. She visited countless wonders, each more breathtaking than the last. She danced among the rings of Saturn, soared through the fiery trails of comets, and even witnessed the birth of new stars in the heart of a nebula. Eventually, Lila found herself approaching a colossal black hole, its gravitational pull immense and intimidating. She knew that beyond it lay the legendary Celestial Garden, a place where the most ancient and powerful beings of the universe gathered. It was a place her father had often spoken of with reverence. Summoning all her courage, Lila navigated the perilous approach to the black hole. Just as she felt the pull becoming too strong, a familiar light appeared beside her. It was Nova, the young star she had saved. "Hold on to my light," Nova said. "I will guide you safely through." Together, they passed the black hole and emerged into a realm of unparalleled beauty. The celestial garden stretched before them, with plants and flowers that glowed with cosmic energy. The air was filled with the music of the spheres, a harmonious symphony that resonated with the very essence of the universe. In the center of the garden stood a grand pavilion, where the celestial council awaited. These ancient beings, each representing different aspects of the cosmos, welcomed Lila with open arms. "You have journeyed far and shown great courage and kindness," said Solara, the leader of the council. "What brings you to the Celestial Garden?" Lila bowed respectfully. "I seek to understand the universe and share its wonders with my world. I wish to bring back knowledge and hope to the people of Meadowbrook." Solara smiled. "Your heart is pure, and your intentions noble. We will grant you the wisdom you seek." The council bestowed upon Lila a fragment of the celestial gem, a powerful artifact that held the knowledge of the universe. They also gave her a vial of stardust, which could be used to heal and bring joy to those in need. As Lila prepared to return home, she felt a deep sense of fulfillment. She had seen the wonders of the universe and made lifelong friends among the stars. She knew that her journey had changed her forever. Nova accompanied her back to Meadowbrook, guiding her safely through the cosmic pathways. When Lila finally stepped back onto the familiar soil of her village, she was greeted with cheers and embraces from her family and friends. Her father, Elias, looked at her with pride. "Welcome home, my stargazer. Tell us of your adventures." Lila shared her tales, the villagers listening in awe. She used the celestial gem to teach them about the cosmos, and the vial of stardust to heal and bring joy. The garden, where the star flower still bloomed, became a place of learning and wonder, drawing visitors from far and wide. And so, Lila's wish to visit the stars had brought not only personal fulfillment but also a deeper connection between Meadowbrook and the universe. Her journey had shown that with courage, kindness, and a sense of wonder, even the vastest dreams could come true. The tale of Lila and the Starlit Garden became a cherished legend in Meadowbrook, inspiring generations to look to the stars and dream of the wonders that lay beyond. And every night, Lila would stand in her garden, gazing up at the twinkling sky, knowing that the stars were not so far away after all.